Hello everyone, this is Orpanjali Bora, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, Mariani College. Today in this video, we'll discuss about public finance and its comparison with private finance. The objective of this video is to discuss about the concept of public finance and to make a comparison between public finance and private finance. The target audience for this video is all the undergraduate students who have economics as one of their subjects. First, we'll discuss about the concept of public finance. So, we all know that the term public in economics refers to government. So, public finance is the study of income and expenditure of the government. The income of the government from various sources and the expenditure of the government in various sectors refers to public finance in economics. Various economists have defined public finance in various ways. So, according to Adam Smith, public finance is an investigation into the nature and principles of the state revenue and expenditure. According to Professor Dalton, public finance is the subject which is concerned with the income and expenditure of public authorities and with the mutual adjustment. Now we will go to the comparison between public finance and private finance. And when we compare or make a comparison, we have to study both the similarities as well as the differences. First, we'll go with the similarities between public finance and private finance. The first similarity between public finance and private finance is that both public finance and private finance have the same objective, that is, they both have the objective of satisfaction of human wants. The next similarity is that both are based on rationality, that is, both the government and the individual are expected to be rational while taking decisions regarding finances. Then if the government or the individual takes loans from any institution, they have to repay their loans. Both the government as well as the individual have limited resources, although the resources in the hands of the government is much more than that of the individual. Then efficient management is expected both from the government as well as the individual for the smooth running of the economy. Now we'll discuss about the differences between public finances and private finance. The differences between the public finance and private finance are many, but here we'll discuss only the important ones. So, the first difference is that government adjusts their income to their expenditure, but an individual tries to adjust his or her expenditure to his or her income. Then, the motive of expenditure of the government is welfare maximization, but the motive of expenditure of an individual is profit maximization. Resources in the hands of the government are enormous, but the resources in the hands of an individual are limited. The government considers deficit budget as more desirable, whereas the individual considers the surplus budget as more desirable. The government gives highest publicity to its budget proposals, whereas the individual maintains secrecy regarding its budget. These are some of the important differences between public finance and private finance. There are many more differences between these two, but in this video we have included only the most important differences between public finance and private finance. If you have any doubt, any query or any objection to the content of this video, you can contact me through my mail ID. I have given my mail ID here in this slide, orupa09@gmail.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.